Hello there and welcome. I'm Bill. And in this video, I will be revealing the #1 recommended traffic source for Textbot AI. Are you a reseller of tech for AI looking to drive traffic to your automated virtual assistant? Or maybe you're just looking for a simple way to make money online? Either way, go ahead and click the link in the description to access this automated marketing system here. But before you do that, I just want to show you that this recommended traffic source is being recommended by Jeff, who is the creator of the system.
It's Marcus from Textbot, and I'm excited because if you're watching me, you are on the page of one of our affiliates. And we've got people from all over the world, thousands of people sharing AVA. Listen, if you're going to be on your phone, which you are literally on your phone right now watching me, don't you think it's about time you start making some money? Aren't you tired of seeing multiple people breaking away from their 9 to 5? You know, school taught you, go to school, get good grades, get a good job, get married, have kids, and die. And there are so many people that want the lifestyle of freedom. But here at Textbot, you're gonna be able to get that. Here's what you need to do. DM the person that shared this video with you and just type, "I want in." They're gonna ask you a few questions to kind of pre-qualify you to see if you are fit mentally, emotionally, and to see if you have the integrity, the character, and the hunger to be in this community. After they've asked you a few questions, you know, what you're looking for, what you're looking to make per month, you know, what's your mindset? Are you a go-getter? Are you able to follow instructions? Are you a fast learner? Once you've answered these type of questions, they're gonna send you their link. They're only gonna send you their link because they believe that you're gonna be the type of person that takes action. Be the person that you want to connect with. You don't want to be with bench warmers. You don't want to be with tire kickers. You don't want to be with people that are afraid to change, that are afraid to evolve, that are afraid to leverage artificial intelligence. We have the software that you need to leverage the power of the internet to help business owners, to help entrepreneurs, to help affiliate marketers, to help anybody from anywhere who's looking to change the game and make money online. All you got to do is share this video. I do all the selling, all the telling, all the explaining. You get the link, you get paid instant and direct. Let me ask you a question. How would an extra $100 to $500 a day change your life? If you're watching me, I need you to DM the person that shared this video and just type "I want in." Textbot, it's about to change the game. I see you on the inside. Let's go!
This system here does the selling and the telling for you. So all you have to do is click register now, and you will have access to a webinar that explains exactly how the platform works. And however, Ava, who is an automated virtual assistant, does the telling and the selling for you.